Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this mathematics period. Today we are in geometry and this is the revision examination you know very well from 1st October. I hope all of you have got the timetable and also I hope you must be preparing for the examination. Pythagoras theorem, two theorems. Although in triangle we have four theorems. Thales theorem, Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, and ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. But I have already informed you that the two theorems, converse of Pythagoras and ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that these two theorems has been removed for this year examination. This year means this session. So you will concentrate only on two theorems, Thales theorem and Pythagoras theorem. But here I would like to remind you, theorems cannot be all, but problems may be from on those theorems. By converse of Pythagoras theorem. So, theorem you have not to learn. Pythagoras theorem. You know very well what is the statement. Pythagoras, a very famous mathematician. He has given many theorems in geometry. Euclid, you must have heard the name. Euclid is known as father of geometry. Pythagoras theorem, according to him, in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. This is true for all the right triangle. My dear, you can also verify with the activities. You can draw many right triangles and you can measure the sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And if you measure correctly and if you verify 100%, you will get that theorem. What is the result? The result is the square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So this is the theorem. From examination point of view, mostly the statement is given and you have to prove. But this theorem can be asked in this way. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. What is? State and prove Pythagoras theorem. This means you have to write the theorem and you have to also prove that. So a statement you should know very well. Now we see, according to a statement, there is a procedure to write the theorems. Not in essay, and essay भी लिखते हैं तो you change the paragraph, है ना? In one paragraph we take one ideas. So similarly, paragraph has own importance. So here is the topic, the statement. According to the statement, you have to draw the figure. Then given, what is given? Prove that, and construction if required. You know very well, most of the theorems are proved by using additional construction. I cannot say which theorem required construction or which not. This depends upon how practice you do. And हमारा जो सिद्धांत है The more question, more problem you will solve, more idea you will learn. That cannot be explained in theory. So practical is very necessary to gain more and more knowledge. Proof, construction and proof. These are the topics under which you have to write the theorems. A statement, this is figure, ABC is a right triangle and angle A is right angle. Right angle triangle hai, so you have to mention which angle is right angle. And if you don't mention, this means this is not complete. Angle A is right angle, and if angle A is right angle, BC will be the hypotenuse. How will you identify in a right triangle which side is hypotenuse? The side opposite to right angle. I repeat, the side opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse. Following a said, how can we distinguish base and perpendicular? My dear, there is no clear-cut instruction which is base and which is perpendicular. But you should understand the sides which form the right angle are base and perpendicular. So that is not definite which side is base. Generally the side on the अब ये कोई तरीका नहीं है कि नीचे जो है उसको हम बेस कहेंगे. जनरल में तो यही बोलते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. In geometry, the perpendicular and base, these two form right angle, and hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle. So you have to prove BC square, the square of mathematical form में लिखते हैं h square is equal to p square plus b square. A statement to मेरे ख्याल से you must have studied in class 8. In a right angle, the square hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. But here you are learning how can you prove. Proof समझते हैं? Geometry में many facts that can be proved with the help of logic, with the help of axioms, with the help of postulates, universal fact. This is called theorem. Theorems are those facts, especially in mathematics, which can be proved without construction, without measurement, and with the help of universal truth, postulate, axioms, all these things you must have studied in class 9. So now you see, construction, we have drawn a perpendicular AD on BC. So now you see, now the important portion is proof. Proof. How can you prove? So we are considering in this triangle and the whole triangle. In triangle ABD and in triangle ABC. Angle B is angle B, same angle, common. बोले कैसे? कैसे? देखिए, you can see the figure ABD and ABC. B is common. Angle ADB is equal to angle CAB or BAC. So, right angle. This is already right angle given, and this is right angle because we have drawn perpendicular. So by double AA criteria, option ready. The triangles are similar. And triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. मालूम है कि नहीं? If triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. In simple word, you can say, if the triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding side will be same. That is called proportional. Ratio and proportion, class 7 or 8 mathematics chapter. If ratios are same, they are called proportion. Proportion. So angle B, angle though they are similar and corresponding sides are proportional. यहाँ बहुत important चीज है. Corresponding का मतलब देखिए corresponding Suppose similar, corresponding, इधर ये corresponding, ये सेंट्रल वाला तो ये सेंट्रल का corresponding को हम उसको इंग्लिश या हिंदी में बताएंगे तो शायद और प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, तो बेटर है कि यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इन इंग्लिश, क्योंकि कुछ वर्ड जो है हिंदी में थोड़ा कठिन है, इजी है इंग्लिश में, तो माय डियर यू विल कंसंट्रेट इन इंग्लिश, डोंट गो टू सर्च व्हाट इज द हिंदी टर्म ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग। अब इसको यदि हम बोले संगत भुजाएं तो पता नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं। ये देखिए ये दोनों सिमिलर है, सपोज ये इसका ये तो ये करस्पॉन्डेंस, ये सेंटर का है तो सेंटर का करस्पॉन्डेंस को बोलते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड तो लेफ्ट साइड, राइट तो राइट। सो दीज आर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड। नाउ यू टेक दिस टू, बड़े साइड इसको क्यों लिया, इसको छोड़ दिया है इसलिए कि हमको देखिए, हमको वट एवर यू हैव टू प्रूव इसमें, by taking these two by cross multiplying you will get AB square is equal to BC into BD. This is equation number 1. Now ditto you consider this triangle and the whole triangle. In triangle ACD and the same triangle BAC, angle C common, here is common this, and this is right angle and this is right angle. And the triangles are similar by the same reason, AA criteria. Two angles equal, the triangles are similar. And corresponding side will be proportional. And we have taken these two, so by cross multiplying, you have got AC square BCD. On adding these two, you add these two equations, whatever you have obtained, and if you are going in right direction, you will get your target. You will achieve your destination. And if you are missing the way, so naturally you will not get your goal. You will not achieve your end. Or adding this to AB square plus AC square, BCBD, BCCD, left side as it is, we have. So you take BC common, inside the bracket BD plus CD, you see the figure. BD plus CD is equal to BC. BC and BC square. What is proof? We have proved without measurement, with the facts which we know, which is called universal fact. The whole world recognizes that fact, that is called universal truth. Universal truth. God is everywhere. Universal truth. अब इसमें लॉजिक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है कि व्हाट इज द प्रूफ। कुछ चीजें ऐसा है कि we should be satisfied, or we should accept that universal fact. 2 plus 2 4. And if you want to prove, so many methods to show that, but this is universal truth. How many lines can be drawn through 2 points? Only one line. How can it? Universal truth. So particular subject में जो universal truth होता है, mathematics में, geometry में, उसको हम postulate बोलते हैं. Otherwise, in general, axioms. How many lines can be drawn through 1 point? Uncountable lines. So universal fact, postulate, axioms, and other theorems we are using and we are proving. So this is my dear Pythagoras theorem. Now you will try to, occasionally you will try to see these two theorems, Pythagoras theorem and Thales theorem, and problems you will try to solve, and you can contact me. I will try my best to solve your doubts. So that's all for today. Now I am not taking too much time. Your time is valuable. You concentrate on the revision for the exams. Thank you and have a nice day.